Alright, so I'm just going to talk a little bit about the two different ways I've gone about doing dynamic HTML. So the first way I went before I knew anything about any backend scripting was 100% with JavaScript, 100% on the client side. So this was had nothing on the server side. This is 100% how I did scripting or dynamic HTML on the client side. I used the library called Mustache that allows you to you do these things like see the script. This is a template. This is a Mustache template, but it's in the script. It's in the script tag, but this is embedded in your HTML. And then so you would be able to call in basically use Mustache to import these in dynamically whenever you wanted to have one of them. You just I'm gonna pull up. I don't remember how I did that. Let's see how I do that. Explore with me. Oh, I know I did that. I was able to insert it using JavaScript. Right, yes. So I was able to use the Mustache scripts or the Mustache templates in JavaScript. So this TypeScript, but same shit. But then these functions here. Let's see if we can get some. Yeah. So much nicer. I gotta get that set up for the right mode lighting, but yeah, whatever. Another time. Then here is the basically I just had these functions. So I show and Ctrl and just use fucking jQuery to hide and show the tournament. And then you can use, where did I use that here? To determine about HTML, the tournament data. And the tournament data is Mustache. So this is a Mustache JavaScript engine rendering the template into HTML. And then the second way I've done this was actually when I was not wanting to learn any PHP because I always heard what a hot mess PHP was. So I was basically avoiding it because I just thought all I knew about it was bad things, And they're not wrong, but it was exactly what I needed to accomplish what I wanted to do, which is this sort of dynamic HTML, but it's on the server side, so it's not as tacky as this. So this. So that's how I did it at first. But then if we go now, this PHP joins a chat. So this is some actually way of doing. This is not the tournament page. This is the library page I made. But you have the library, and this has a MySQL database. That's the master of all the data in the library. So that's the one source of truth for our library, because it would be a pain to have that hard coded. And then you have just echoing. There's probably a better way to do this, but I have a bunch of echo statements, and then it goes for my grabs it, fetches it from the database, and then constructs it with PHP. Now I don't know if there's probably a better way to separate your HTML and PHP, but this is, I'd have it basically intermingled, which is probably not the best, but I'm like, this is honestly the first thing I made with PHP. Alright, take care. Ah. My mouse on the screen, because I'm looking at like my OBS is like on the other page, and I saw my mouse on this screen, and it was on the OBS, and it messes with me.